Hey guys, it's Elena, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing s'more brownies. These brownies, I'm not even joking, are the most moist and gooey brownies I have ever tasted and made. So these brownies have a graham cracker crust, then of course the brownie layer, and then they're topped with toasted marshmallows and drizzled with chocolate ganache. So to make the graham cracker crust, the first thing we're going to do is combine some crushed graham cracker crumbs along with some sugar and then a little bit of melted butter. And then I also added a little pinch of salt, which just adds that salty and sweet combo to these brownies, which is unreal. And then just mix this all together until a crumbly texture forms. Then I poured the graham cracker crumbs into a greased pan and firmly pressed it in to form the crust. And then once you've pressed the crumbs into the pan, you're going to want to bake this at 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and brown. For the brownies, I decided to use a Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix because I really like how it tastes and it makes the recipe 10 times easier, but if you want, feel free to use whatever recipe you want for the brownies. And I'm just combining the eggs, the oil, and the water and mixing it all together. To make these brownies extra chocolatey, I decided to add about half a cup of mini chocolate chips to the batter, and I'm just combining that all together. Then pour the brownie batter all over the graham cracker crust, and it's ready to go into the oven. Once your brownies are done baking, you're just going to sprinkle a bunch of mini marshmallows all over the top of the brownies. Then place your brownies back into the oven and broil them for about 1 to 2 minutes. Also, make sure you watch the marshmallows while they're in the oven because they can burn in just a matter of seconds. Next, I made a super easy chocolate ganache for the top of the brownies, and all I've done here is I poured some hot milk all over chocolate chips, and I allowed it to sit for a few minutes. Then just mix it all together until it forms a super silky and smooth chocolate ganache. Then I poured the chocolate ganache into a Ziploc bag and cut the corner of the Ziploc with a scissor, and it's ready to be drizzled onto the marshmallows. Now that the brownies have cooled, I peeled the aluminum foil off of the edges and placed the brownies onto a cutting board. Then you can drizzle the chocolate ganache all over the top of the marshmallows. And to top off the brownies, I just sprinkled some extra graham cracker crumbs. Next, I cut the brownies into 9 square pieces, and a really great tip to make this process so much easier is to just dip the knife into some water and wipe it off each time, so that way you can get a nice and kind of clean cut, because these brownies are pretty gooey and sticky from the marshmallows, but overall it just makes the process a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to make s'more brownies, and please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and stay tuned for more recipes coming soon.